Most Europeans already have easy access to quality drinking water. Even so, the European Union is updating its legislation to make tap water even safer. Quality standards will be revised by tightening limits for contaminants and taking into account pollutants like microplastics. The new rules also call on member states to further improve access to drinking water by installing water fountains in public places.
On voulait, en tant que Parlement européen, encore aller plus loin, que l'eau devrait être effectivement aussi dans les restaurants, être gratuit ou à un prix modéré, parce que justement le côté environnemental est très important, parce qu'on sait que juste pour le transport de l'eau d'une bouteille, ça coûte beaucoup plus d'énergie, donc c'est aussi plus nocif au climat.
The revised Drinking Water Directive is also a chance for the EU to make progress towards its climate goals. Drinking tap water is good for the environment and good for your wallet.
Pour votre portefeuille, c'est très important et une grande différence. Pour le prix d'une bouteille d'eau minérale, vous seriez livré près de 700 litres de l'eau du robinet.
The new rules aim to reduce consumption of bottled water, which will help to cut back on plastic waste and save EU households more than €600 million a year. Europeans should trust that their water is safe to drink. Consumers will be able to get up-to-date information about the quality of their drinking water on their invoice or a smartphone app.